Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be finally coloring my hair. But I'm super excited because I partnered with L'Oréal Paris to show you guys the Colorsonic. Listen, this day could not come any sooner, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough gray so I can test out this product. One of the things about coloring my hair at home is that if I do my roots, there's leftover product, you have to throw it out. This product is about to change the way that you color your hair at home. I've got so much to say, so without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna unbox this together so you know exactly what you're gonna get when you get yours. First out of the box would have to be the device, your directions, technical manual and warranty booklet, a pair of black professional reusable gloves, lengths adapter, your cleaning cartridge, and of course, the power cord. I'm gonna make sure I plug this in because you want the device to be fully charged before you get started. There's also over 20 shades to choose from. Today I'm gonna be using number 2, Soft Black Natural. And to make sure that this was my perfect shade, I took a really short quiz on their website. Now, when you order your color, it's gonna come with a color cartridge and some nourishing conditioner. So the setup is supposed to be super simple, no mixing, no bowls, no nothing, girl, okay? All you do is pop it in, make sure it clips in on each side, tilt it forward to prime, and you're ready to go. You're gonna hold the power button until the bristles start to move. You're not gonna wanna apply this until the light is green. Allow it to do its thing for 20 seconds because we wanna make sure that everything is nicely mixed. You're gonna wanna do this on detangled, dry, unwashed hair. Check, check, check. These supersonic powered bristles are gonna do all the work, and it's literally like brushing your hair. It's very quiet and it feels like a massage on my scalp. This even gets the back of my head. You're gonna wanna release the button after every stroke, a little massage where I know the grays are concentrated, and I'm just gonna come back around where I need a little extra coverage. Allow the color to develop and I'll see you back in 30 minutes. And here are the results. My hair is officially one color again. And because the formula is ammonia-free, I knew that my hair was gonna be super soft and shiny. I mean, look at this movement. Even my ends are like bouncy, they're not crispy and stiff. Of course, I almost forgot, 100% gray coverage. Look at this. They are gone, girl. Now let's talk price, because I know you guys are like, okay, how much does this cost? We know this is super new, fancy technology. The device you only have to buy once. It's $124. Now hold on. We know how much it costs every time that we visit a salon. There's no mess. There's no gloves. There's no bowl, there's no brush, there's no salon or tip. Actually, with the money that you save, you can tip yourself. And these color cartridges are $29.99. We all know how it feels. It's like heartbreaking to throw the color away that we don't use after touching up our roots. You can actually use this up to 3 times. 3 times! I'm like, sold. That was it for me. And I know you guys will have the same experience when you try it, so if you want to, you can find it at Target or colorsonic.com. I'll make sure to leave that direct link down in the description box below. Before I let you guys go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried it? Are you interested? Maybe you know somebody that might enjoy it as a gift. Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!